Okay, hello everyone. Puhabat.
Habagut, Puhaba.
Good morning. Habagut. Today Friday, like always, you guys want to learn Aceh language. So now we're gonna start it. We're gonna learn its basic Acehnese language. You know what I mean? And then it's easy for your guy to communicate. If if you want to learn. Because language is always good, you know what I mean? To learn any language, right? It's always good. So I'm gonna teach you guys basic Aceh language. So, uronyo, uro Jumat, batinyo kelas nombor 2. Tanya perno bahasa Aceh lo, nyonya lancar. Jadi pun lo tanya Mbak John. What is your name?
My name is John.
Hi John. Okay. What is your name in Aceh? Sonan. Gata. Right? Mean is what is your name? Right? Sonan kata is what is your name? Okay. Nyo anak pihak turile, urang kabeh turi, Mr. Roland Zabu, Mr. Samsundi. Okay. Kameraman, uronyo, lo nak KMA apabila naik kalian lele wali murid karena ruangannya pi ruangan sementara. Ruangan sementaranya karena anggaran naik tebit lom. Anggaran kai pakai le kepala dinas pendidikan. Ibaga pagar moji, tayang kecil ke kepala dinas, tayang kecil, baik tambah manuk-manuk lang remohi. Ya, jadi kekean murid wali murid, tapa-tapa dia tanya, kita tanya rakyat. Okay guys, first we gonna learn very basics, okay? In English, 1. Aceh we call sa. Can you say it?
Sa.
Sa. 2.
Dua.
Le. Put. Berapa tu John? Put. 4, right? 5. Limang. Okay, diulang Mr. Samsunti. Sa. 2. Le. Kerja cukup benar hati lewat kah le. Putra kapajun kerja bet hat le kapajun yang syubhat. Sa, 2, le, put, 5.
Sa, dua, le, luput, dua.
No. Kan le put 2. Okey. Ya. Sa, 2, le, put, 5.
Sa, dua, le, put, lima.
Wah, Mr. Samsunti memang kali punya Samsunti kajaran. John, I think next week you gotta eat those kind of Samsunti too. I think. See, he's doing very fast.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Alinya chicken.
Trrr.
We.
Okay.
We mean left.
Yes.
We. Okay. Nyo tanya merno yang very basic. In English, what they call this?
Measuring tape.
Measuring tape. Bahasa Aceh. Mete. Putra ikun yang bahasa Inggris. Flashlight.
Yeah.
Sente. Yo.
Hammer.
Palea.
Alia.
Katuleng.
Palea.
Palea.
Pale.
Putra ikun yang bahasa Aceh. Bahasa Aceh. Bahasa Inggris.
PSI.
Buku.
Book.
Buku. Okay. So for today, we just learn basic, I think, right? Every Friday, titi hari Jumat, kamu nanya, mereka bahasa Aceh untuk bukan, untuk basic, mentang. Nyaci ulang je dah tanya. Okay? Can you repeat this?
Sa.
Good job, si John. Look. Sa. Yes. Okay. I repeat again. Sa, dua, leput, lima. Okay, you good?
Ya. Sa.
Dua.
Dua.
Good.
Le.
Le.
Put.
Pu. Lemon.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Five.
Yeah. Because we're getting old, we don't want to learn too much. Kita yuk kata hai tamong li lilit ha kaki kaje yang basic.
Sa. Dua. Le. Put. Lima. Ya.
Oh, good job, good job. Okay,
Okay.
that's it. I think for today, any question? Any question, John?
No, for today.
Longgala Murno Bahasa Aceh.
Oh, Mr. Hamgunti, galak murno bahasa Aceh.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
John?
Mm,